All right. Okay, guys, welcome. Okay, in this video, I'm going to be showing you the things you can achieve with Meta Business Suite and why it is important to have Meta Business Suite with you. Okay, now before you use Meta Business Suite, you must have had a Facebook page and you must have connected at least your Instagram account to your Facebook page. Okay, so without wasting further time, let's go to Meta Business Suite. Okay, now, so for the interest of this video, I've already bookmarked this, but once I click on it, we are going to see the link. So the link you're going to go to is business.facebook.com. Okay, business.facebook.com. So it will open up your Meta Business Suite. So this is the home page of the Meta Business Suite. Okay, so there is a lot you can achieve with Meta Business Suite. Like I explained before, Meta Business Suite is the one platform where you can you know, where you can connect your Facebook page and your Instagram page and manage both of them on the go. Manage both of them together. So in your Meta Business Suite, you can create posts, and whatever you post on Facebook will appear on Instagram. You can create an ad. Whatever you post on, whatever ad you create on Facebook will still appear on Instagram. You can create a reel, the same thing. It will appear in both places. You create a story, is the same thing. So this is the home page. Okay, okay, this is the home page, and then let's go over to inbox. And then if you go over to inbox here, you can manage all your messages in one account, guys. This is Messenger, this is Instagram, this is WhatsApp. Once you connected these accounts in your Meta Business Suite, you can manage everything from here. Okay, and this is the lead center. Once you generate leads, you are going to see them here, the content that you create, and then there is a planner. Okay, planners are very, very well organized because you can pick on a day and then you can create posts or reels or stories that can go out at different times of the day from now till the next 2 months, to the next 3 months, to the next 4 months, 5 months, to the next 1 year. The possibilities are endless. Okay, if you click on a date, you can go and create a post for that day. You click on another date, you can create another post for another day, and then you can create as much post as you want. And then another thing you can achieve with Meta Business Suite is you can run ads from Meta Business Suite, right? You can run ads. So here, you just click on ads for the options. You just click on ads. Okay, this is just the ad summary. I've had a good number of days. You can click on ads and then you go here and click on create ads. Create ad, right? So it's very much like the ads manager, right? It's very much like the ads manager. So you can, this is Meta Business Suite, and we are running ads from here. So you can choose all these options, get more messages, more WhatsApp messages, get more leads. But then the Facebook Ads Manager is has more better options because you get to you have more better options with Facebook Ads Manager because it's so much better. It has more options in the ad manager than any other place. So if you want to get more, for example, you want to get more WhatsApp messages, you click on it, and then it will tell you to create a new ad. Everything you watched in the other video about Facebook Ads Manager, those are the things you will still do here. Okay. So there is no much difference. So here it says get more messages, right? Get more messages. Then you can use this is your ad creative. You can use a post or you can use a picture that has been there. This is the description, and whatever you write in the description is what is going to appear at the top, right? It's going to appear at the top. Then you can select a media if you want to select posts you have used before, pictures that you have posted on your pages before. You can select any of them. Okay, you can select any of them, and then the headline here is what will appear here. Okay, is what will appear here. So Advantage Plus Creative, you can click on so that Facebook will generate different creatives, like different messages, different headlines that they will use at different intervals, right? So you can adjust your greeting messages, how people is going to greet you, and how you're going to respond to them. And then in here, you can always choose the messaging app, because if you are going to message, you can choose the messaging app that they're going to message you in, right? You can choose your message app. Then special ad category, there's then an audience. You can choose advantage audience, and then you can always adjust the audience type. You can choose gender. You can reduce the age. Let's say you want them to be 50 and 50. Okay, so you can type in to add locations. Maybe you want to add people from Ghana, just like we did in the other video. Okay, Ghana, like Ghana, a country. So you can add people from Ghana, right? So it's just very much the same like the ads manager. Then detailed targeting. Click on detailed targeting. You can browse detailed targeting. Type in digital, okay, marketing, right? Okay, you can type in digital marketing. These are interests. These demographics. These demographics. Okay, this is a behavior. So it's very much the same, right? It's very much the same. So you can, choose it like you did in the ads manager. Okay, you can choose like you did in the ads manager, right? So, but here is much more, it's much more concise, because everything is straightforward. There is no campaign here, there is no ad set here, there is no ad here. Everything is just put on the same way, right? Everything is just on the same page, so that you can just scroll, and in one click, here you can adjust your daily budget, right? You can adjust your daily budget. It's already been set on a daily budget, so you can adjust your daily budget. Then there is no pixel, and then you can just do a few things and hit publish, right? You can just hit publish. So guys, this is one of the things you can do with your business suite. So if we can just go back, uh leave, yes, if we just go back, and then we'll go to settings. We'll go to settings. If we go to settings, now here is another place that is important. That's this. If as a digital marketer, if you want, or if a business wants you to manage their page, this is where they give you access to manage your page, to manage their page. Sorry, let me repeat this. If a business wants you to manage their Facebook page and their Instagram page, and to maybe make all the posts and run ads for them, or do one stuff or the other from their own page, this in the settings, this is where they have to go on their own page and grant you access, to be part of them. So this is people. Now we are in settings, and these are the users of my own settings. So you see, it's only me, and I have full control of everything, and my account status is active, right? Is active. You can invite people to come and be users of your platform, right? You can type in a name, and then you can invite them. And then here, these are partners. So if you are running ads, sometimes Facebook will ask you if you are partnering with someone, or there are some ads you will see A partnering with B, or A in collaboration with B, or A plus B running an ad, right? So this is where those partners, you can add a partner here, and if it prompts you to submit your business ID, guys, the easiest way you are going to find your business ID, guys, is through this number. This is your business ID. This is your business ID. This number. Okay, here is your business, is your account business ID. So if you want to request for a company to give you their ID, or if a company is requesting for their ID, this is the number you're going to give them. And then after partners, you're going to go to system users. No system users added yet. I didn't add anyone. And then here are pages. Okay, pages that are connected to your Meta, to your business suite. These are pages that are connected to your business suite. So um, this is the only page that I connected here that I'm using. And then here is where you can assign people their role, right? If you want to assign people, you can type in the person's name or ID and assign them a role. Okay, you assign people a role, and then you can add a person. right? You can add a person here. Okay, you can add them here, and then assign access, assign business, and review invitation. Then after assigning, you grant you send extend an invitation to them, and they're going to receive an invitation on their Facebook account, and then they can accept that invitation, right? Okay, here is the ad accounts. The ads account that you are using. Here is it for my own. You can connect more access to these ad accounts. I don't want to connect to any more access. So here is me. I have full control. So these are things you can. So from here you can see your Instagram account. So, all right. This is the one Instagram account I connected to my. You can connect more Instagram accounts to your Facebook page, and then here is my own WhatsApp account. So guys, there is so much you can achieve with Meta Business Suite. One thing I love about Meta Business Suite is that the ability for it to help you manage all your Meta platforms together. Like if I want to create a post, right? I can create a post. I can just create a post. And if I create this post and post it on once I hit publish, it goes live on Facebook and on Instagram. Right here is one of the things I love about Meta Business Suite, and the fact that you can schedule posts, right? You can schedule posts, and once you hit live, it goes live, right? Okay, I hope you understand this short tutorial about all about Meta Business Suite, and I'll see you in the next video.